Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we'll go through the steps on how to add a social media link to your website. So the first step would be, once you've logged in, to enable Visual Builder. You can do so from the toolbar at the top here. Once you've enabled the Visual Builder, depending on where you want to put your social media icon, usually that would be in the header, the footer, or both. You can do, if you're putting it in the header or footer, you would want to click on Edit Footer Template or Edit Header Template, which appears when you are hovering over either of those sections. So let's go ahead and add an Instagram icon to the footer here, to this website. First thing, we're going to put it in one of the existing rows. So we're going to click on the gray plus button that appears when we hover over an existing module. And then when it says Insert Module, then we'll search for social media. There's actually a module called Social Media Follow. And you can see it automatically inserts the commonly used icons for social media. So you can add multiples of these, and you can also style them individually. So each social media module contains multiples of these, so you can have as many social media icons as you want or need. To edit each individual one, you're going to click on the little settings icon for this particular one. Then you'll choose the social network that you want to use the icon for. So in this case, we'll use Instagram. You can see it changes to the Instagram icon. And then you would put the link in under the link tab here. So replace that hashtag right here with your Instagram link. And last but not least, if you want to style it, so for example, you can go to the design tab. You can change the icon color. I'm going to keep this one white. You can toggle on custom icon size, and you can make it larger or smaller, so whichever you prefer. And then finally, also you have the background option under the content tab. So background, if you want to make this transparent, you can make it a transparent icon. You can make it have a green background, black, whatever the case may be. And then once you've put the link and changed the background color and styled it accordingly, then go ahead and click on the green check mark. That will take you back to the main social media follow. If you want to add an additional social media, what you can do is duplicate your existing one here, click on the settings icon, and then select your additional social media profile that you want to add, put in the link here, and change the background to whatever you want it to be. And you can do the same thing and style each icon accordingly. Now I'm not going to keep the Facebook one, but we could do this. Click Save Changes again, green check mark, and there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and save this one to the library for future use. And I can show you how to put it in the footer or the header as well, since we already have one social media icon in the footer. So save to library. And since we have it saved there, we don't have a link for this yet. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. But if we want to place it at any point elsewhere, sometimes you may need to make some column adjustments. So for example, making this a 2-column, moving the button over, and then adjusting the width of the row. So what I'm doing here is adjusting the size of the row. So we could do this. And then we could place our social media icon here. So click on the gray plus button to add a module, and then a module that I've saved. And voila, we now have the Instagram icon up in the header. So that's all there is to it. Adding social media icons. If you have additional questions, please reach out to Gradelink website support.